From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Amina Jenkins. As new rates for large data centers take effect in Ameren, Missouri's territory, a consumer group is asking for a retrial. Kate Grumke in St. Louis reports.
The Consumers Council of Missouri filed a motion for a rehearing in the case that set Ameren's terms and rates for large data centers. The approved plan for data centers doesn't do enough to make sure regular customers' rates don't increase, says John Kaufman, an attorney for Consumers Council.
It's the data centers that are going to be driving the building of power plants. Our concern is that those costs are appropriately assigned to the data center.
The data center rates are now in effect. An Ameren official said in a statement that the plan already, quote, provides strict customer protection. The Public Service Commission will decide whether to reopen the case. I'm Kate Grumke.
The Missouri State Highway Patrol provided air support this year to help the Columbia Police Department with downtown enforcement. The Columbia Missourian reports helicopters and small planes were used to monitor the size and movement of large crowds on weekends in October and November. Pilots use infrared and a mapping overlay system to help officers on the ground station themselves effectively, especially after bars close. The Missouri State Highway Patrol provides air support to any law enforcement agencies in the state at no cost. The Missouri Farm Bureau has partnered with United Healthcare to offer its new health insurance plans, but eligibility will depend on a review of each applicant's health history. That's a major difference from the Affordable Care Act marketplace, where insurers are required by law to cover people regardless of pre-existing conditions. Bryant Kagi is a fourth-generation farmer in northwest Missouri. He says his family didn't qualify for ACA subsidies because their income was too high. Instead, they've been paying for an expensive small group plan.
The biggest hang-up with health insurance is that there's a lot of government mandates on what needs to be included, and the idea that they can't reject somebody for pre-existing conditions just means that everybody has to pay more for health insurance.
Missouri is following a model used in Tennessee where about 10% of insurance seekers are deemed too risky to insure. Columbia will begin updating downtown parking meters to a new $1 hourly rate on January 5th. KOMU8 reports this is the first increase since 2013. A portion of the revenue will support operations and long-term maintenance of the parking system. City parking garage rates will remain unchanged at 50 cents per hour, with the first hour free. I'm Amina Jenkins, KBIA News, Columbia.